Welcome. This is the 11th tutorial on orthographic and isometric drawings. This example has been taken from the Grade 8 Technology and Engineering Graphics and Design workbook. Provided to you on the screen are the three views in first angle of a model, and you will see the front, top and left view of that model provided to you in orthographic. Starting this question, we need to look at the 3D model provided on the far right. All the dimensions for the question has been provided onto the model. The question read as follows. Draw the front, top and left view of the isometric figure on the workspace provided. The drawing is given in first angle orthographic projection. Also draw the symbol for first angle orthographic projection. I have already provided the symbol for first angle on the paper. Now we see the margin lines and the X and Y axis on our answer sheet. If this was not provided to you, you would have to draw in these details for the diagram first. Based on the knowledge acquired from previous tutorials, you would know how to take the measurements from the 3D model on the question and carry that over onto your orthographic drawing. Remember to start at the anchor point of the front view. We will now carry over all of the heights onto the left view of our orthographic diagram. We will also take the lengths of our front view down to the top view. Once you have finished all the projections from the front view onto the left and top view, you will continue to draw the answer for your top view on the orthographic drawing. Make sure that you carry over the correct measurements from your 3D model onto your top view, and that you start your measurements from the anchor point. The top view's layout will look as you see here on the screen when you have finished carrying over all the distances. Once you finish the top view, project the projections from the top view onto the 45-degree mirror line and project them 90 degrees up to the left view. This will give us the base layout for our left view. When you start drawing the answer for your left view, make sure that you have carried over the correct distances from your 3D model onto your left view. Start measuring from the anchor point and make sure that your heights and depths are consistent with the projection lines carried over from the top and front view. I have highlighted the front view of your 3D model to show the different levels of the front view on the 3D model. I also highlighted in green the front view of our 2D answer. Here I have indicated the top view of the 3D model and the 2D answer in blue. Finally, we see the left view colored in red. On this screen you will see the mark allocation for our drawing when we have completed our 2D orthographic answer. The green stars once again represent the mark allocation for the front view. The blue squares will indicate the mark allocation for the top view, and the red circles will indicate the mark allocation for the left view. It is also possible to add more marks for your constructions and for adding the symbol for first angle orthographic projection. Congratulations! You have successfully completed the tutorial.